Introduction to Apache Mahout. Apache Mahout is an open-source project that provides scalable machine learning algorithms and libraries. It's designed to help build scalable machine learning applications by providing implementations of popular algorithms and utilities to facilitate data manipulation and pre-processing tasks. Here are some key aspects of Apache Mahout. Scalable algorithms. Mahout focuses on providing scalable implementations of machine learning algorithms that can handle large datasets. This makes it suitable for big data environments. Collaborative filtering. One of its prominent features is collaborative filtering, which is used for building recommendation systems. Mahout provides implementations of algorithms like user-based and item-based collaborative filtering. Classification and clustering. It offers algorithms for tasks such as classification, example, support vector machines, naive Bayes, and clustering, example, k-means clustering. Integration. Mahout can integrate with Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark, leveraging their distributed computing frameworks for efficient processing of large datasets. Flexibility. It supports various data formats and interfaces, allowing integration with different data sources and tools. Community and development. Being an Apache Software Foundation project, Mahout benefits from a large community of contributors and ongoing development efforts. Use cases. Typical use cases include recommendation systems, like those used by e-commerce platforms, clustering of large datasets for pattern recognition, and predictive analytics. Apache Mahout Architecture Overview. Apache Mahout is a powerful open-source library that provides scalable machine learning algorithms. Its architecture is designed to support large-scale distributed processing and integrates well with Apache Hadoop for distributed computation. Here's an overview of the architecture. Core components. Math library provides linear algebra and statistical operations necessary for machine learning algorithms. Utils, utility functions and helper classes used across different modules. Integration layers. Hadoop integration. Mahout is tightly integrated with Apache Hadoop, enabling distributed processing of large datasets using Hadoop's MapReduce framework. Algorithms are designed to run efficiently on Hadoop clusters. Spark integration. With the advent of Apache Spark, Mahout also supports integration with Spark for faster, in-memory processing of machine learning algorithms. Machine learning algorithms. Mahout offers a wide range of machine learning algorithms, categorized into collaborative filtering, used for recommendation systems. Clustering, algorithms like k-means and canopy clustering. Classification, algorithms like naive Bayes and logistic regression. Dimensionality reduction, techniques such as singular value decomposition, SVD, and principal component analysis, PCA. Regression, linear and logistic regression. Recommendation, algorithms like alternating least squares, ALS, for matrix factorization. Execution modes. Mahout can run in various execution modes. Standalone, for development and small-scale testing. MapReduce on Hadoop, for large-scale distributed processing. Apache Spark, utilizing Spark's RDDs for faster, in-memory computations. Scalability and performance. designed to handle large datasets efficiently by leveraging distributed computing frameworks like Hadoop and Spark. Algorithms are optimized for parallel execution across nodes in a cluster, ensuring scalability. Community and ecosystem. Mahout benefits from a vibrant community of developers and contributors, ensuring continuous improvement and support. Integrates with other Apache projects and ecosystem tools for seamless data processing pipelines. Collaborative filtering with Apache Mahout. Collaborative filtering, CF, with Apache Mahout is a popular choice for building recommendation systems. Mahout provides scalable implementations of CF algorithms that can handle large datasets efficiently. Here are some key points about using Mahout for collaborative filtering. Types of collaborative filtering. Mahout supports both user-based and item-based collaborative filtering methods. User-based CF recommends items to a target user based on the preferences of similar users, while item-based CF recommends items based on their similarity to items the user has liked or interacted with. Algorithms. Mahout offers various algorithms for CF, including user-based nearest neighbor, finds users similar to the target user and recommends items they have liked. Item-based nearest neighbor recommends items similar to those the user has liked. Matrix factorization, techniques like singular value decomposition, SVD, and alternating least squares, ALS, for more advanced recommendations. Scalability. Mahout is designed to handle large datasets and can be distributed across a Hadoop cluster for scalability. This makes it suitable for big data scenarios where traditional memory-based approaches might not be feasible. Integration. Mahout integrates well with Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark, leveraging their distributed processing capabilities. This allows CF algorithms to be applied to large-scale datasets efficiently. Usage. Implementing CF with Mahout typically involves data preprocessing, example, user item matrices, choosing an appropriate algorithm, tuning parameters for accuracy, and evaluating model performance using metrics like RMSE, root mean squared error, or precision recall curves. Community and support. Mahout benefits from an active community and ongoing development, ensuring support and updates for users. Apache Mahout and Big Data. Integration with Hadoop. Apache Mahout is a powerful library for scalable machine learning and data mining. It's designed to run efficiently on distributed computing frameworks like Apache Hadoop. Here's how Mahout integrates with Hadoop. Scalable algorithms. Mahout provides implementations of various machine learning algorithms that are designed to scale out across a Hadoop cluster. This allows processing of large datasets distributed across multiple nodes. Hadoop MapReduce. Initially, Mahout heavily relied on Hadoop's MapReduce framework for distributed computation. Algorithms are implemented in a way that takes advantage of MapReduce for parallel processing. Transition to Apache Spark. Over time, Mahout has transitioned to also support Apache Spark, which offers faster in-memory processing compared to Hadoop's disk-based processing. This transition allows Mahout to leverage Spark's capabilities for iterative algorithms and interactive data analysis. Integration patterns. Mahout integrates with Hadoop through connectors and APIs that facilitate data access and processing. It can read data from HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System, process it using machine learning algorithms, and write results back to HDFS. Machine learning algorithms. Mahout includes implementations of various algorithms such as clustering, classification, recommendation, collaborative filtering, and dimensionality reduction. These algorithms are optimized for distributed computing environments. Community and ecosystem. Being part of the Apache Software Foundation, Mahout benefits from a large community and ecosystem of tools and libraries that support Hadoop and Spark, making it easier to integrate with other big data technologies. Scalability and performance in Apache Mahout. Scalability and performance are crucial considerations when using Apache Mahout for machine learning tasks, especially as data sizes and computational demands increase. Here are key aspects to focus on. Distributed computing. Apache Mahout leverages Apache Hadoop for distributed computing. This allows it to scale horizontally by distributing computations across a cluster of machines, handling large datasets efficiently. Algorithm selection. Mahout offers various machine learning algorithms, each with its own scalability characteristics. Choosing the right algorithm based on your dataset size and computational resources is essential for optimal performance. Optimization and tuning. Mahout provides parameters for tuning algorithms to achieve better performance. This includes adjusting batch sizes, iterations, and other algorithm-specific parameters to balance between accuracy and computational efficiency. Data format and integration. Efficient data format handling is crucial. Mahout supports various input formats compatible with Hadoop Distributed File System, HDFS, and other data sources, ensuring smooth integration with existing data pipelines. Hardware and cluster management. Proper cluster management, including monitoring resource utilization, optimizing hardware configurations, and scaling cluster size as needed, plays a significant role in achieving good performance with Mahout. Community and updates. Staying updated with the latest Mahout releases and community best practices can provide insights into performance improvements and scalability enhancements introduced in newer versions. Real-world applications of Apache Mahout. Apache Mahout, a machine learning library, finds practical applications across various domains. Here are some real-world applications. Recommendation systems. Mahout is widely used for building recommendation engines, such as in e-commerce platforms like Amazon, for suggesting products based on user preferences and behavior. Clustering and classification. It's used for clustering similar items together, such as grouping news articles by topics or classifying documents into categories based on content. Anomaly detection. Mahout helps in detecting outliers or anomalies in data, which is crucial for fraud detection in financial transactions or monitoring systems for abnormal behavior. Predictive analytics. It's used for predicting outcomes based on historical data, such as predicting customer churn in telecommunications or forecasting stock prices in finance. Collaborative filtering. Mahout supports collaborative filtering techniques, which are essential for user-based or item-based recommendations in collaborative filtering systems. Dimensionality reduction. It helps in reducing the number of variables under consideration, useful in image recognition tasks or processing high-dimensional data. Text mining. Mahout provides tools for analyzing and extracting meaningful patterns from large text datasets, which is beneficial in sentiment analysis, document classification, and topic modeling. Bioinformatics. In the field of bioinformatics, Mahout aids in analyzing genetic data, identifying patterns in DNA sequences, and clustering genes based on expression patterns. Social network analysis. It can analyze social network data to identify influential nodes, detect communities, or predict connections in social graphs. Healthcare. Mahout can be applied to analyze medical records for predictive modeling in disease diagnosis or patient outcome prediction. Comparing Apache Mahout with other machine learning frameworks. Apache Mahout is a machine learning library primarily focused on scalable machine learning algorithms. Here's how it compares with some other popular machine learning frameworks. Apache Mahout versus Apache Spark MLib. Apache Mahout, originally designed for scalable machine learning, Mahout provides implementations of various machine learning algorithms suitable for large-scale data processing. It integrates well with Hadoop and other distributed computing frameworks. Apache Spark MLib, part of the Apache Spark ecosystem, MLib offers a wide range of machine learning algorithms and tools. It emphasizes speed and ease of use, leveraging Spark's in-memory processing capabilities for iterative algorithms. Apache Mahout versus Scikit-learn. Apache Mahout. While Mahout is geared towards large-scale data processing, its focus on scalability may lead to more complexity compared to Scikit-learn for smaller datasets. It's better suited for distributed environments. Scikit-learn, a popular Python library, Scikit-learn provides a comprehensive set of traditional machine learning algorithms. It's easy to use, suitable for smaller datasets that fit into memory, and widely adopted in the Python community. Apache Mahout versus TensorFlow. Apache Mahout. Mahout's primary focus is on distributed machine learning algorithms, making it suitable for big data scenarios. It integrates well with Hadoop and can handle large datasets efficiently. TensorFlow. Developed by Google, TensorFlow is a powerful framework for building and training machine learning models, especially deep learning models. It's highly flexible and supports deployment on various platforms, including mobile and embedded systems. Apache Mahout versus Apache Hadoop MapReduce. Apache Mahout. Mahout provides higher-level machine learning algorithms built on top of Hadoop, allowing for scalable data processing and model training. Apache Hadoop MapReduce. Hadoop MapReduce is a lower-level framework for distributed processing of large datasets across clusters of computers. It's foundational to Mahout's scalability but focuses on general data processing rather than machine learning specifically. Data preprocessing and feature engineering in Apache Mahout. Apache Mahout primarily focuses on machine learning algorithms rather than data preprocessing and feature engineering tasks. However, Mahout can be used in conjunction with other tools like Apache Spark or Apache Hadoop for pre-processing tasks such as data cleaning, transformation, and feature extraction. Here are some common approaches. Data cleaning. Use tools like Apache Spark or Apache Hadoop for tasks such as handling missing values, outlier detection, and normalization. Feature extraction techniques like TF-IDF, term frequency inverse document frequency, for text data, PCA, principal component analysis, for dimensionality reduction, or feature hashing for categorical data can be implemented using Apache Spark's MLib or other tools. Feature transformation techniques such as scaling, example min-max scalar, encoding categorical variables, example one-hot encoder, or creating interaction terms can also be performed using Apache Spark's MLib. Integration with Mahout. After pre-processing and feature engineering, Mahout can be used for training machine learning models using various algorithms like clustering, example k-means, collaborative filtering, example matrix factorization, or classification. Case studies, successful implementations of Apache Mahout. Implementations of Apache Mahout, an open-source machine learning library, have been noted in several successful case studies across different domains. Here are a few examples. Recommendation systems. Netflix. Netflix has utilized Apache Mahout for its recommendation engine to personalize content recommendations for users based on their viewing history and preferences. Mahout's collaborative filtering algorithms played a crucial role in improving user engagement and satisfaction. E-commerce. Amazon. Amazon has integrated Apache Mahout for various applications, including product recommendations and customer behavior analysis. By leveraging Mahout's scalable machine learning algorithms, Amazon enhances its personalized shopping experience and boosts sales through targeted recommendations. Healthcare. Mayo Clinic. Apache Mahout has been employed in healthcare settings like the Mayo Clinic for predictive analytics tasks. It helps in analyzing patient data to predict diseases, recommend treatments, and optimize healthcare outcomes based on historical data patterns. Social media. Twitter. Twitter has used Apache Mahout for real-time analytics and user engagement optimization. Mahout's capabilities in clustering and classification algorithms assist Twitter in understanding user behavior, identifying trends, and improving ad targeting effectiveness. Financial services. Bank of America. Financial institutions like Bank of America utilize Apache Mahout for fraud detection and risk management. Mahout's machine learning algorithms help in analyzing transaction data to detect anomalies, prevent fraud, and assess credit risk more effectively. Challenges and considerations in Apache Mahout implementation. Implementing Apache Mahout involves several challenges and considerations, especially in the context of data preprocessing, model selection, and scalability. Data preprocessing and feature engineering. Mahout requires clean and well-preprocessed data for effective modeling. Ensuring data quality, handling missing values, and scaling features appropriately are crucial. Considerations include selecting appropriate feature extraction techniques like TF-IDF for text data and handling categorical variables through encoding or transformation. Model selection. Mahout supports various machine learning algorithms such as clustering, k-means, fuzzy k-means, classification, random forests, naive Bayes, and collaborative filtering, matrix factorization. Choosing the right algorithm depends on the problem domain, data characteristics, and desired outcomes. For example, collaborative filtering for recommendation systems versus clustering for segmentation tasks. Scalability and performance. Mahout is designed for scalable machine learning, leveraging Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark for distributed computing. Considerations include optimizing algorithms for distributed environments, tuning parameters for performance, and managing computational resources effectively. Integration and ecosystem compatibility. Integrating Mahout with existing data ecosystems and tools like Hadoop, Spark, and others requires careful planning and configuration. Compatibility with data sources, data formats, and other analytics platforms may influence implementation choices. Evaluation and validation. Proper evaluation metrics and validation strategies are essential to assess model performance and ensure generalization. Cross-validation, holdout validation, and metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score are commonly used depending on the task. Maintenance and updates. Keeping Mahout libraries, dependencies, and underlying infrastructure updated is crucial for security patches, bug fixes, and leveraging new features. Skill set and training. Implementing Mahout effectively requires skills in distributed computing, machine learning, and familiarity with relevant technologies, Hadoop, Spark. Training team members or hiring skilled professionals may be necessary for successful implementation and maintenance. Future trends and roadmap for Apache Mahout. Apache Mahout, an open-source library for scalable machine learning, continues to evolve with advancements in the field. Here are some future trends and potential roadmap directions for Apache Mahout. Enhanced scalability. Mahout is likely to focus on improving scalability further, enabling it to handle even larger datasets efficiently. This could involve optimizations in algorithms and better integration with distributed computing frameworks like Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark. Support for deep learning. As deep learning continues to dominate many machine learning tasks, Mahout might integrate or support more deep learning libraries and algorithms. This could include TensorFlow or PyTorch integrations, allowing for a broader range of neural network architectures. Expansion of algorithms. Mahout may expand its library of algorithms across various domains, including recommendation systems, clustering, classification, and anomaly detection. New algorithms might focus on state-of-the-art techniques in these areas, ensuring Mahout remains relevant in diverse application domains. Ease of use and accessibility. Improving user experience and making Mahout more accessible to developers and data scientists without deep expertise in distributed computing could be a priority. This might involve better documentation, tutorials, and streamlined APIs. Integration with other Apache projects. Given its roots in Apache, Mahout might deepen its integration with other Apache projects such as Apache Hadoop, Spark, and Flink. This could lead to better performance, interoperability, and ease of deployment within these ecosystems. Focus on performance and efficiency. There could be ongoing efforts to optimize existing algorithms for performance and efficiency, leveraging advancements in hardware capabilities and distributed computing frameworks. Community and ecosystem growth. Growing the Mahout community and ecosystem through collaboration, contributions, and partnerships could accelerate its development and adoption. This includes fostering a vibrant developer community and engaging with industry and academia for feedback and advancements. Privacy and security. With increasing concerns about data privacy and security, Mahout might incorporate features or enhancements that ensure robustness against potential vulnerabilities and compliance with privacy regulations. Streaming and real-time processing. As real-time data processing gains importance, Mahout might explore enhancements for streaming analytics, ensuring algorithms can operate efficiently on data streams with low latency requirements. How does Apache Mahout facilitate machine learning? Apache Mahout is a scalable machine learning library that primarily focuses on collaborative filtering, clustering, and classification. Here's how it facilitates machine learning. Scalability. Mahout is designed to handle large-scale datasets efficiently. It leverages distributed computing frameworks like Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark to process data in parallel across clusters, making it suitable for big data applications. Algorithms. It provides implementations of various machine learning algorithms such as collaborative filtering, for recommendation systems, clustering, like k-means, classification, using algorithms like random forests or naive Bayes, and more. These algorithms are optimized for scalability and performance. Integration. Mahout can integrate with other Apache projects like Hadoop, Spark, and HBase, allowing seamless data integration and processing across different components of a big data ecosystem. Ease of use. While originally focused on scalability, Mahout has evolved to include easier-to-use APIs and higher-level abstractions, making it accessible to developers who may not have deep expertise in distributed computing or machine learning. Community and support. Being part of the Apache Software Foundation, Mahout benefits from a vibrant community that contributes to its development, ensures regular updates, and provides support through forums and documentation. Why choose ProExcellency for Apache Mahout online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Apache Mahout online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency likely offers training delivered by experienced professionals who have deep knowledge and practical experience with Apache Mahout. This ensures high-quality instruction and the ability to learn from industry experts. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are likely structured to cover all aspects of Apache Mahout comprehensively. This includes data preprocessing, feature engineering, collaborative filtering, and other essential topics. Hands-on experience. They may provide hands-on exercises and projects, allowing participants to apply their learning in practical scenarios. This practical approach helps in better understanding and skill development. Flexibility and accessibility. Being an online training provider, ProExcellency offers flexibility in terms of timing and accessibility. Participants can access training materials and sessions from anywhere, fitting it into their schedules. Certification and recognition. Completing training with ProExcellency may provide participants with certifications or recognition that can enhance their credentials in Apache Mahout and related fields. Support and community. They likely offer ongoing support through forums, discussion boards, or direct assistance from trainers, fostering a supportive learning environment. Thank you.